Partners are a critical piece of the National Centre for Truth and Reconciliation. The scope of the Centre's work is expanded through our partners, making records accessible and the history more well-known.
We both need to and want to educate both Indigenous and non-Indigenous peoples about a very dark chapter in Canadian history that continues to have consequences and ramifications today.
But also in learning about the stories of the survivors and how they triumphed and they overcame the obstacles, we can learn tremendous inspiration, and we can learn how to be resilient and how to be great human beings.
Partners will participate in a number of different ways, and their vision will help shape and guide the future of the National Centre for Truth and Reconciliation.
We have the opportunity to be graduating people who have a better cultural understanding, better historical understanding, and are much more prepared to enter the conversations and negotiations that will determine the future.
In terms of that truth-telling and the question of reconciliation, we need to create places and spaces for discussion and dialogue, and that's where we can really collaborate to be able to fulfill those mandates.
Tools to support educators in schools, helping them teach about residential schools, but also to teach about what was lost in terms of the family dynamic, in terms of language, in terms of culture.
Using first-person stories, hearing directly from the voices of survivors is a very impactful way to convey the message.
Reconciliation is a process, and our partners play an essential role.
In the end, the National Research Centre should be the place where we honor and remember the strength, the bravery, and the courage of our grandparents, parents, and elders who went to residential schools.
This partnership will really allow us to bring thousands of people to a better understanding and awareness of Canada's legacy related to Indian residential schools and participate in the ongoing discussion about what that means and how do we move forward.